We'll be looking at top 10 misconception about evolution in this video. So the number 10 is natural selection gives organisms what they need. In the list of misconception about evolution, natural selection gives organisms what they need. Natural selection has no intelligence. It cannot tell what a species needs. If a population has genetic variants more suited to their environment, they will reproduce more in the next generation and the population will evolve. Number 9, evolution is just a theory. Scientifically speaking, a theory is a well substantiated idea that explains aspects of the natural world. Number 8, evolution is a theory in crisis. There is no debate in science as to whether or not evolution occurred. There is, however, debate over how it happened. Number 7, gaps in the fossil record disprove evolution. Actually, many transitional fossils do exist. For example, there are fossils of transitional organisms between modern birds and their dinosaur ancestors, as well as whales and their land mammal ancestors. Number 6, evolutionary theory is incomplete. Evolutionary science is a work in progress. Science is constantly making new discoveries with regard to it, and explanations are always adjusted if necessary. Number 5, the theory is flawed. Science is an extremely competitive field. If any flaws were discovered in evolutionary theory, they would be quickly corrected. All of the alleged flaws that creationists put forth have been investigated carefully by scientists and simply do not hold water. Number 4, evolution is not science because it is not observable. Evolution is observable and testable. The confusion here is that people think science is limited to experiments in laboratories by white coated technicians. Number 3, most biologists have rejected Darwinism. Scientists do not reject Darwin's theories. Instead, they have modified them over time as more knowledge has been discovered. Number 2, evolution leads to immoral behavior. All animal species have a set of behaviors that they share with other members of their species. Slugs act like slugs, dogs act like a dog, and humans act like a humans. It is uh, preposterous to presume that a child will begin to behave like another creature when they discover that they are related to them. The last one is number 1, evolution supports might makes right. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, a philosophy called social Darwinism sprung up from misguided attempts to apply biological evolution to society. This philosophy said that society should allow the weak to fail and die, and that not only is this an ideal situation but a morally right one. This enabled prejudices to be rationalized, and ideas such as the poor deserved their situation due to being less fit were very popular. This was a misappropriation of science. Social Darwinism has thankfully been repudiated, biological evolution has not. So, these are the top 10 misconceptions about evolution.